If you've ever wanted to publish ebooks that actually sell, here's the truth. It's not about writing faster. It's about choosing the right niche. And with EbookWriter AI, you can discover and create niche-focused ebooks in minutes. Here's how you do it. Start by identifying small but passionate markets. Things like keto meal plans for beginners, stress relief for working moms, or side hustles for teens. These are niche topics with loyal audiences ready to buy. Once you've picked niche, simply type it into EbookWriter AI. The AI instantly writes a complete ebook for you, filled with valuable, engaging content tailored to your audience. You don't need to write or hire anyone, it's all done for you. Then, you can design your cover, format your layout, and get your ebook ready for Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or your own website. This is how creators are building profitable digital product businesses by focusing on small, targeted audiences and letting AI handle the rest. Want to start creating niche ebooks that sell? Click the link in the description and try EbookWriter AI today.